What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this DIY right here. So if you're interested, stay tuned and just keep watching. You need a canvas, these banner little things, and then you'll need little like ornaments, not necessarily, these are like little gift tag things, and these, I don't know which ones I'm going to use quite yet, so I just have these here for options. So let's go ahead and start with these guys first and see where to go from there. So as I was opening this banner, I realized how big the letters were in comparison to the actual canvas. So I needed an alternative plan because clearly they weren't all going to fit on this canvas. Thankfully, I had an extra 16 by 18 canvas that I could switch it up to that you will see here momentarily. I'm actually going to make it look like it was a banner, because why not? So you're just going to rearrange it how you want it to look. This is what it looks like so far. I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing. I'm just using E600. This is a super easy DIY, guys. It's just like positioning that takes a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing, guys. You could see here I got a little ambitious with the E600 because it was taking too long, so I just wanted to do them all at once. Thankfully, it turned out well. So we're gonna put this guy just right over here, and then this guy right here. And I wasn't gonna use these, but I'm gonna use these wood shapes, and let's go ahead and try them. I don't know if I show this in my haul. My husband thinks I should add trees, so let's go ahead and see what the trees will look like. And then I'm actually thinking about adding stars now that I think about it. So let's see what the little trees would be like right here. That'd be cute. On the other side, just to add a little bit more. Okay, and then these are actually adhesive stickers, so I'm just gonna peel it off and see. Yeah, it feels pretty sticky. We'll just leave it there. I could always glue them on later on if for some reason it doesn't stick. Alright guys, this is the finished sign. I'm pretty proud of it. I think it turned out pretty well. I think the glue might still be wet. I think it looks pretty good. And this was only $1, 2, 3. This is an under $15 DIY, and so I want to display this alongside of it, and so This is just a wood sleigh from Target. It was $5. I wasn't intending this to be this big, so I don't know if it's gonna fit where I wanted to display it, but otherwise I will hang it up if that doesn't work out. So let's go ahead and take some ornaments and fill this up.